Hi friend, a very good morning. I am Sevati. Welcome to Mother Can Speak English YouTube channel. Today I show you a amazing thing, friend. Look at here, friend. You can see this is a nest. Today I saw this nest, friend. Actually, a bird has made this nest in my house. You can see this house has not been built completely, friend. So the bird has made his nest here. It is so amazing, friend. Wow, actually it's amazing. Let's see what is in it, friend. Just a minute, I bring a chair. Okay, now I will stand on it. Just a minute, friend. Now we can see what is in the nest. देखा जाओनी जमा. You can see, friend. Wow, the bird has laid three eggs, friend, in it. Wow, so amazing. Oh my god, I never saw it before in my life. Oh my god, it's actually so amazing, friend. Wow, you can see, friend. Where is the bird? She is not visible. I think the bird is not here, friend. Let them go. If the birds will see, then she will afraid and he will never come. Hi friend, are you showing? Look at here in this place. Yes friend, look, the another bird has built their nest on the tree. You can see, friend, is right in front of my room, friend. You can see in front of my room. The bird still in his nest. I think she laid the egg in his nest, friend. So she is sitting on his nest. Many of birds are come here and sit on the tree. They fly here and there and chirping and singing. Actually, the moment is very beautiful. Every morning they come here. You can hear, friend, the birds chirping.